welcome to another episode of Skid's Garage. As you may have seen in the last video, the RB25 got a bit hot.
Water temp. I'm hot.
And we think it's got a blown head gasket. So let's jump in and we'll see what the damage is. At this stage, if it is just a head gasket, I might just pop another gasket in with some ARP head studs and just send it. Otherwise, I have located a cheap engine at the wreckers. If there's any other damage to be found, we can just pop another NA in, slap the turbo on and send it for another 3 years. I am pretty proud of this motor. It's got it about 3.5 years ago. It was drifted NA for about a year and then 2 years with the turbo. I haven't had any issues with it at all. This is the only issue I had. When I got it, it had around 300,000 Ks on it, so I don't think it's ever had a timing belt done either, so it's long overdue for some love. So let's give it some love, clean it up and see how we go. So join us on this adventure as we find out what's wrong with the RB. A wild sand dog has joined us.
Hey.
So first step is to do a compression test, just to see where the gasket is blown. First thing you ought to do is undo the crank angle sensor. That gets spark or fuel entering the combustion chamber, and then we're just going to pull out all the plugs, make it easier to turn over, and see what it looks like. I think we found the blown head gasket. Cylinder 6 is just overflowing with coolant. That's ridiculous. Alright, so while Sandy works on removing the clutch fan so we can get the radiator out, I'm going to start on removing the catch can and deassembling the hot side so we can remove the turbo.
20 minutes later.
On by turbs. So I've just realised my puller tool is broken, so we're off to Super Cheap and get a new one. Get a grip point and we'll go. You got it?
Jesus, that TV.
Fuck. That is really heavy.
Okay, I'm gonna come to you.
Oh wait, we're caught. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't know if I can see it. It's probably too close. Right there. You can see where, like, it's come away. See just there. Now that the head's off, time to take it down to Chilton Engineering. They're going to give it a skim, check it for hardness and make sure it's all schmick before we put it back on. I'm going to jump online, order some parts, and then we can put this all back together. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!